so I put the straps on. The base color for the white, it's a darker shade of what the actual white part will be, because once I put the hairs on, the darkness will give it a bit of dimension. And I'm just putting a little, I'm just softening the edge of the black, so when the hairs go over it, it doesn't go straight over the black, so it's almost like a bit of shadow underneath. So the hairs will be dimensional as I'm putting the hairs over. So like, you don't want a hard line. So it looks a bit funny now, but you won't see this at all. The hairs are just going to be covering it, but it just softens the edge of the black. So I've mixed 2 shades of cream or white, so that when I was putting each as a hair, it's more dimension, 2 different. Eventually, when I'm finished, I'll put white and use a pure white highlight to give dimension to the face. So start doing hairs. So basically it's going to look like this, with the hair going over the and then with a bit of light, cross hatching it like that, and it just gives it more dimension, so it gives the fur depth. So the whole area is going to be covered basically like that. It's going to take long. Okay, here's the painting finally finished. I still have to sign it. We started with just the pencil sketch, filling in the black, then the base color of where the white is, creating wrinkles, then working 3 colors of cream over, darker, lighter, light, and then white to give it dimension, cross hatching to give it dimension as well. And then once that was done, moved on to the eye, gave it some detail to give it some depth in the eye, and then the shine, and then finally the hairs, eyebrows coming over the eyelashes, and then these final eyelashes as well. I also added a little bit of blue just to the black to give it a bit of shine, so it looks like it's got dimension. You can see the blue there, and then a couple of white dots to give it a wetness, and that's it, finally done. Thanks for watching.